It is an exciting video because we're gonna do another prompt jar challenge. Yeah, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm shaking. I don't know. Anyway, if this is first time here, hi, I'm Emily's, but you can call me Em, and you're watching Makeup Brave. If this is your first time here and you like what you see and you want to come back and hang out in the future because you love random impromptu makeup challenges like this, or you like seeing people do project panning, using things up, just having fun with makeup, then I would love to see you here. Be sure to click that subscribe button, click the like button if you like this video, and come back and hang out again in the future. I would love to see you. I think I just said that. Yeah, I'm tired. It's a long day. Anywho, how this works is I have a ton of different prompts written out on these slips of paper. I go in, I do not look, I don't cheat, and I pull out a prompt and I create a makeup look based on the prompt. So we're ready for it? Ball gown inspiration. Ooh. I get to do a makeup look inspired by a ball gown. So let me go grab some makeup goodies and then I'll be back and we'll do a ball gown inspired makeup look. Alright, so I have gathered all my goodies and I also found an inspiration photo. This is the photo of the ball gown that I am inspired by. I feel like it's pretty for spring. It's soft, it's floral, it looks like fun. So just like in the last prompt jar video, I'm going to mute myself, I'm going to speed things up. I'm going to be listening to some random music in the background here, but the music you listen to will feature some artists that maybe you've never heard before. I'll have links to them below in the description box if you want to download their music, and let's get into it.
You speak and take my breath away. Oh, you open up my sacred heart. Oh, you terraform my mind. Following me into the moonlight. Following me into the
Oh my gosh, it's so sparkly and fun. You guys, this didn't quite exactly turn out how I wanted. I'm loving all the sparkles. I'm gonna have fun taking this off. It's hard to see the little pattern that I created using those little stencils, but it's there, sort of. It's hard to tell. I layered and layered and layered, but I feel like a little, I can't talk. I feel like a fairy. I think this feels like a fairy ball gown. So maybe like a fairy ball. Does that make sense? But anyway, I've had fun creating this sparkly, fun, ball gown inspired makeup look. Yeah, this is so much fun. I've been feeling in the mood for sparkles and glitter, and there we are. We're all sparkly, we're all glittery, we're all fairy-like. If you want to recreate your own version of this prompt, ball gown challenge, then please, I want to see your looks. Be it a video, a picture, whatever it is. I want to see you try this challenge and see all the amazing creations you come up with. Even if you don't think you're good at makeup, it's cool. Just have fun with it. That's the whole point of playing with sparkles, of playing with makeup. And it's just a point of joy. It's a point of happiness. And if you're here, then I hope you're enjoying this video, that you've had fun listening to the music. Again, those links will also be below. Anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you all have a good one. Stay sparkly and sprinkle your sparkles of joy and happiness and kindness in the world. We all could use a little bit more kindness. And stay electric as always, like kinetic energy. Sparkle and ignite and be electric. I'm a little excited, if you can tell. Anyway, thank you again. Have a fantastic day. Mwah. Bye.